How to stop sharing stories from Facebook to Instagram. Now let's say your Facebook account and Instagram account is intertwined to one another, and you can't help but to share your stories from Facebook to Instagram. Now in order for you to stop sharing your stories from Facebook to Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and click on the settings beside the search icon right here. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on Account Center and click on Sharing Across Profiles right here. You just have to click your Facebook account. And once you're on your Facebook account, you'll be able to see that it is intertwined with an Instagram account. Now, in order for you to stop sharing your Facebook story to your Instagram story, all you have to do is to toggle this off. And now your Facebook story won't be shared to your Instagram. So that's how to stop sharing stories from Facebook to Instagram. Hope we help.